The birds fly south as the light leaves your eyes. Hold on to your dream. Oh, I know you wanna scream. Since the day you're born.
Hello, it's Amy. Welcome back to my channel. I've never said that before, but hello. This is a video a little bit different than my other videos. It's all food. Dinner ideas, sort of. It's salad, but not super traditional salad, like where you just throw everything in there and then mix it. I've tried to do something a little bit different. The company Sweeze sent me these really cute marble pattern salad bowls. I decided that for the video and collab with them, I would do salad, but again, like in a way that's a little bit different, and show you guys the bowls. I'll just stop talking and go right into the video. Hope you enjoy, and thank you for clicking on the video.
Is running through the golden doors. You know you gotta take the ride. It's now or never by my side. Lead on days, don't be shy. Nobody changes, they just lie. Take your own face by the end. It's time to conquer your own land. Lead on days, don't be shy. Nobody changes, they just lie. Take your own face by the end. It's time to conquer your own land.
I was just gonna do like a really quick review on bowls. So they sent me 4 these, again, porcelain marble pattern salad bowls. They're pretty good quality. I know that they're meant for more salad and kind of maybe like spaghetti or like round looking dishes, because then they will look better in these round bowls. Usually we like to plate things on long and flat bowls for a presentation, but I think it's good for definitely, again, it's, for pasta, soup, maybe dessert, and salad. A good shape in that way. Very stackable, obviously, very easy to clean, and I do like the look of it, and also it's safe. As you can see, I used the oven. So that's just like a general snapshot, and yeah, I recommend it. Saying all that as a very like honest review, but also like if you're interested in any of their other products, I'll link their links below in the description box. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope that it's not too wobbly. So if it's a little wobbly, I'm really sorry. Check out their products, check out my other videos on the channel, or my channel if you're interested. Hope you have a great day ahead. I will see you another time. Goodbye. It's also useful for holding rain. Ta-da! What am I doing?
Yeah, give them an example. Like, for example, what you could put in there.
I already gave the example.
Example. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe and leave a like.
Natural born YouTuber. He said that on his own. I didn't tell him to say anything. Be carefree and happy. Is that your motto?
I'm trying to